Hey, Scott Young here. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video, you're probably doing some research for affiliate marketing for beginners with YouTube. Well, you're in the right place because we're going to cover this in detail here in this video. Before we jump into it, I just want to give you my #1 recommendation for making money online right now. I'm going to drop a link in the description below this video, and you can click that link to access my #1 recommendation. All right, let's jump into this. Well, first of all, what is affiliate marketing? You hear that term kind of tossed around a lot. Well, affiliate marketing is really just the process of connecting a customer or a lead who has a problem with a product that is a solution to that problem that the customer is having. So a customer comes from a traffic source, they're a lead, and they have a pain point. They have a problem that they're trying to find a solution for. And there's a company out here that has a product, and that product is going to solve that customer's issue. And so what you as an affiliate marketer are doing is you are connecting that customer to that product, and you're solving the problem, and you are making a commission. So it's a wonderful business to be in because there's no inventory, there's no customer service headaches. You're just connecting people together. All right, now what are the fundamentals of an affiliate marketing system? Well, there's really two main aspects to it. The first one is that you need to find a product. You need to find a product in a niche that you're interested in, that you're excited about. And this product needs to be high quality. It can't be just some cheesy little product that costs a few bucks, gets high conversions, but then people refund it and they're upset and stuff like that. No, you really want to find a good high quality product, and one that is going to really solve the problem for the customer that you're looking for. So don't just go out and find a product where, on the affiliate page it says we convert at 90% or something like that, because it still could be a garbage product. So find a good product first. And then the second thing that you need is a sales funnel. So a sales funnel is where you're going to send the leads, the customers with a problem or an issue that they're having. They're going to go through your sales funnel where they're going to get to know you, get to like you, get to trust you. And then at the end of that, they will follow the recommendation of the product that you give to them. And so in that process, in the sales funnel, you're going to have an email autoresponder. That's the database that collects the emails from your leads so that you can email them valuable content and make the offers. And you are going to have a capture page. A capture page is where the traffic comes in and they give you the email that will go into your email autoresponder system. So this is the basics of the affiliate marketing system in a nutshell. But this is where YouTube comes into it, because YouTube is a powerful, powerful platform for generating leads. And if you want to generate leads in YouTube, you can't just post a bunch of random videos out there and hope that people are going to discover them, because that's not the way that the YouTube algorithm actually works. What you need to do, first of all, is that you need to rank for keywords. So you know the niche you're in, right? You have the product picked out. You know the pain point that it's going to solve. So now you need to start making short 3 to 5 minute videos about certain topics that you want to rank in YouTube so that people will find them and they will follow your link to your capture page. So how do you rank for keywords? Well, what is ranking for keywords? Well, ranking for keywords is really just getting in that top 3 to 5 positions in the YouTube search results, because that's where 95% of the place that people click when they do a search. So you want to get in that top 5 slot, right? But what are the words that people are looking for? Well, this is how you do that. You go into Google Keyword Planner. That's this awesome tool that Google makes available for free. And you go in there and you type in a couple words about your niche. So let's say your niche is weight loss. So you type in weight loss into the Google Keyword Planner, and it's going to spit out maybe 1,000 different keywords, keyword phrases that are related to that. Next, what you want to do is sort that by the number of searches. Now, do you want to go for the biggest number of searches? Actually, no, because you're new. Your channel is going to be new, your videos are new, and the big search keywords are going to have a lot of competition. So you actually want to sort it the other way, where you're sorting for the least searches, the ones that maybe have 100 searches per month. And you are actually going to look for long tail keywords in those keyword results. keywords that are 5 to 7 words long and have about 100 searches per month on them. And that's exactly what you're going to start making videos about, because those are going to be found. And once you start getting a good amount of those uploaded, you're going to start seeing hundreds and thousands of searches landing on your video and clicking through your link at the bottom of your video. All right, so let's run an example here. So let's say you go into Keyword Planner and you type in weight loss, right? Okay, so one of the results, once you sort it from the least searches to the most, you might see something that says lose weight to fit into a wedding dress. Okay, that's a good long tail keyword. So what you're then going to do is you're going to make a video, and it's going to be a couple quick tips about losing weight so that you could fit into that wedding dress for your wedding, right? Okay, and so you're just going to give them a couple quick tips, and you are going to then say, hey, I've got a link in the description that's going to tell you more about how to lose weight. And it's a no pressure sell. You're just letting them know this great information about losing weight. And if they want to, they can click the link in the description. So it's a great no pressure way to do that. So you finish the video and then you upload it. Now, how are people going to find that video? All right, that's the next step. And it's how to rank in the search results. And how to rank in the search results is that you want to use that keyword. Remember, we use how to lose weight to fit into the wedding dress, right? That's actually going to be the title of your video. So the keyword is your title. That's the first step. And then when you upload the video, in the description of the video, you want to use that keyword as the hashtags and as the tags in the video. And you also want to use some other related tags and related hashtags to that lose weight to fit in wedding dress type of theme. So once you've got the keyword in the title and the keyword in the hashtags and the keyword in the tags, your video is pretty well optimized for YouTube to find it in the algorithm. When anybody searches anything like that, boom, your video is going to start ranking higher and higher, and hopefully you get into the top 5 slots. So this is going to take a little time, okay, because it really takes a little time for YouTube's algorithm to actually even find you in their system. Most people agree it takes about 30 to 50 video uploads when you just started before YouTube even starts to recognize you in the algorithm. So it takes a little bit of time, but if you could do 1 3-minute video per day, after about a month, YouTube's going to start finding you, and then the videos that you made will start rising in the ranks, and you'll start getting them in the top 5 results. And that's when the clicks and the leads really start to flow, and you'll start to see some progress there. So I hope that makes sense. I hope this is clicking for you, and I hope you got some good content out of this. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button below this video and click subscribe and find some more valuable content on my channel. That would be awesome. And I hope you all do well with this. Take care.